Welcome to Cuyahoga Valley Christian Academy. I cannot wait to meet you face to face, but in the meantime, I'd love to give you a tour of our facilities here at CVCA where we educate and cultivate servants for Christ. Come with me. Hi, welcome to the Commons at CVCA. This is one of the areas where our whole community comes together. They come together in something called PRT, which is personal responsibility time. At a college prep school, we want to prepare you just beyond the curriculum, but to be ready to go on to what's next for you. So personal responsibility time gives you the option to come into a place like this, into our commons, to study, to collaborate, to critical think with other students and other teachers in a space like this where you have a little time to be yourself. We are in the School of Medical Professions. It's one of our 5 schools of distinctions here at CVCA. We really appreciate our schools of distinction because it allows you to dive in high school. It allows you to prepare. When we talk about college preparation, we think more than just a curriculum. What experiences can you have? So in our schools of distinction, and there's 5 of them, you can dive in to see how God has gifted you in these areas. Medical profession, engineering, School of Ministry, School of Business, and School of Arts and Humanity. These schools allow you to dive in with a mentor, with a teacher, with specific classes, where you can find out what God has for you. Another distinctive at CVCA is our service component. We ask all of our students, 6th grade all the way to 12th grade, to serve every semester a certain amount of hours, whether it's locally, regionally, or globally. It's something that's a graduation requirement, and it's one of those requirements that we feel builds good habits. One of the great things about CVCA is that we have 6 through 12 in one building. But we like to give middle school their own space to learn and to grow at their own time and at their own pace. So as we walk into the middle school only area, you'll notice this is their designated spot. Now, what we do like is the intentionality of our high schoolers intentionally being with our middle schoolers on our own terms. Coming into their class and helping out, mentoring during orientation, that builds a community. But during the school day, we want to give the middle schoolers their own space. We're currently in the 6th grade hallway in the middle school, normally teeming with lots of community and 6th graders enjoying themselves. I thought I'd give you this chance to look into a typical 6th grade classroom. Athletics is an important part of our community here at CVCA. Our athletic mission statement is building Christ-like characteristics as ambassadors for Christ through competitive excellence. Let's take a look at the gym. Behind me is the Royals Fieldhouse, a multi-use facility for practices and for the community, made up of a wrestling room, a track, and 3 multi-use courts. It's a great place for our community to come together. I'm currently standing in the Fine Arts Wing here at CVCA. Our Fine Arts Wing is made up of our chapel and auditorium for performing arts, as well as the band room behind me and the choir room, as well as graphic design, video editing, and our 2 art rooms. The arts is an incredible way to show our creativity to our Creator as we worship Him in fine arts. Now we're in the chapel auditorium here at CVCA. This is where we have chapel once a week, a middle school chapel first, followed by a high school chapel after. It's just one of our many programs here that dives into the spiritual growth of your sons and daughters. I'm standing here in the hallway at CVCA because educating and cultivating servants for Christ happens everywhere. When we talk about educating and cultivating servants for Christ, what we really mean is the deep spiritual development of you. So whether you're in a classroom or in a hallway or on a stage or in a field, everywhere it matters to us that we educate and cultivate the heart and the mind of you, the students. So whether that's in chapel or in Bible classes or in our service projects or in our small groups or on missions trips, we care about how you are developing spiritually, and that happens everywhere here at CVCA. Life on life connections.